Hey friends, this is Wendy with Love and Stampin'. I just wanted to show you these cards really quick. These are the 4 April YouTube live cards that we've done through the month of April. And when you place an order for $50 or more, you get all 4 of these card kits free from me. They will get mailed out in May. And it gives you all the cardstock pieces, all the basic white pieces, everything you need. The only thing that's not included is the designer series paper, just because we're in a transition period with the catalogs and I wasn't going to be able to get enough designer series paper to do them all. You also get a PDF that shows you photos and information about how to put all these cards together, along with all of the YouTube live videos that I've done through the month of April. Here's what the card kits look like. They come with an envelope. We package them nicely in their own cello bags, and they have the ribbon, all the cardstock pieces and envelope, and if there's any like embellishments or extras that we need to add, we try to add those. I hope you enjoyed, and if you want to place that order for $50 or more, the host code is below this video and you must use that. Please use that and shop with me at shoploveandstampin.com. And thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.